The rustic look of cast iron, matched with its long-lasting construction, has a rich history in outdoor cooking. Cast iron is designed to distribute heat evenly, making for faster cooking without having to manage the heat source or rotate the pan. Our cast iron frying pans are just as much at home on a campfire as they are in your kitchen. Use our frying pans to cook everything from eggs and bacon to steak and veggies without sticking. Perhaps one of the most versatile and frequently used pieces at the campsite is the cast iron Dutch oven. Whether you need the stability of a Dutch oven with legs to bake biscuits or a cobbler down in the coals, or prefer a flat bottom design for cooking on a grill rack, we've got you covered with a variety of different sizes. Looking to fry crisp veggies, sear a steak, or cook some Asian cuisine? Look no further than our cast iron wok. The even heating of cast iron is also perfect for pizzas, giving you a crispy crust and locking in all the delicious flavors. Our pizza pan can also be used as a large skillet for cooking hamburgers, pancakes, steaks, and more. All of our pieces now come pre-seasoned and ready to use. Cast iron is a staple for the outdoors, but is frequently used for indoor cooking as well. Whatever you plan on cooking next, Stansport has you covered.